Hello everybody, it's Mr. Ray, and here's our video on how to create our line paths drawing. We will be practicing with rulers today, and it will we'll be adding an effect like it will make it look like all our objects are sort of zooming around and flying around. So to begin, I am going to use a marker, and since it's a Sharpie, this means that I will be using 2 pages. I have one underneath this. If you would like to start with pencil, that's fine. We will also use Crayola, our normal markers like this. So first things first, let's begin. We got our names on our page. Boom, done. Now, this could be something that normally flies or normally does not fly. It's up to you. I kind of like to do a little bit of both. So let's start with something that does not usually fly, like an ice cream cone. And now you don't have to copy me. This is just to show you how to get it done, okay? This is just to show you what in the world I'm talking about and how to do what you're supposed to do today. So I'm gonna color this in. We have some pink ice cream. Don't ask me what flavor of the pink, I guess what would pink be? I don't know. Birthday cake flavor maybe? I don't know what flavor, whatever. Anyway. It's pink because I felt like it. And there's a brown cone. There we go. Now let's take a color that's, let's do pink. And I'm gonna create 3 lines with my ruler. And the thing about a ruler is you've got to, it's gotta be touching what you're drawing from. And then it's gonna go all the way across. And your marker goes right up next to it. And hold it still. So I'm holding this still with one hand here. Move it down. I'm going to do 3 lines. So they're all like that. Like go in the same direction all the way across the page. Next, let's do, we'll put a bird because those actually fly. And there we go. And he will be cardinal, so I want my red. There's a little red bird. And then I'm gonna do this line, maybe we'll do this with blue. And here's the fun part of today. We'll do some overlapping. So this bird is zooming this way. My ruler's pointing a different direction now. So lines, skip those. Keep going. Move the ruler. Hold it still. 2 and 3. There we go. So the paths will cross, but not like the lines through each other. You should have this looks like it's going behind it. All right, I'm going to draw something down here. Flying that way. I'm going to do a star shape. And one thing, when you make stars, I find it's easier to think about the letter A, and it just changes direction. Or you can make stars if you make a star with the crisscross way, that's fine too. Really getting good at anything, it just takes practice. Practice makes progress. So if you're not quite perfect at stars right off the bat, it's okay. Let's make this one with orange. Yellow is a little bit light. Let's try orange. 3 orange lines coming out of this guy. So he'll be zooming that way. So 1, skip this all the way across. Here's 2, skip, and then I'll skip the ice cream cone. And then 3. Looks like a little tiny bit right there, and then out that side. So I've got 3. I want to try to do, let's fit 8, okay? So I'm going to pause here, and I'll finish this. You just keep doing the same thing, and wherever there's something to, remember where you're overlapping, and we'll see what this, how many fun things, different fun things. Like I said, 8, we'll count 8. So I've got 3. Which means I need to do 5 more, and then this will look really awesome. All right, good job.